Hi there, thank you so much for joining me today. My name's Natasha, welcome to my channel. This video is a project pan update for my 9 by November project pan. I have 8 products that I'm trying to use up, and then I have 6 blushes that I want to use 25 times each over the course of the project. So let's start with the blushes. Last month I mentioned that I'm going to just roll in the last 3 blushes that I needed to use 25 times in all at the same time. I have Milani Luminoso, the Beached Bronzer from Urban Decay, and Beloved by Makeup Revolution. Over the past month, I've used the Makeup Revolution one 10 times, the Beached Bronzer 9 times, and Milani Luminoso blush 8 times. So for Beloved, I'm at 15 out of 25. For Luminoso, I'm at 10 out of 25. And for the bronzer, I am 14 out of 25. I like having all 3 options to work with instead of just using one blush for 25 uses and then rolling it out, just because I like to change my blush up depending on what makeup I'm wearing. For example, today I started with the Beach Bronzer, but then once I had the rest of my makeup on, especially with this deeper lip, I wanted a little bit more color on my cheeks, so I did go over it with the Makeup Revolution one, the peachy one, just to add a little bit more warmth and color to the cheeks, just so I didn't look so dead with like such a grayish brown deep lip. I'm going to quickly go over the products that I had finished in my last update. That was the Pure Miracle Mist. That one I finished up last month. I also finished the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation. I hit my goal on the ABH Brow Pomade, but I'm still going to show you like how much I use up every month and show you progress. So I'm going to talk about that later, even though it is technically like finished in my project. And then the last one I finished was this Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. I had used it up to the point where I couldn't apply it anymore just from the bullet, and I ended up taking out the rest of the product and putting it in this little mini Besame container, and I'm using it as a cream blush right now. So that one was technically finished in that project, and I do really want to actually finish it up sometime by the end of the year, but I'm not going to be tracking the cream blush throughout the rest of the project. That's just going to be something I do on my own. And for those of you at home who are curious, the empty container weighs 21.4 grams. So if you have a Charlotte Tilbury lipstick and you want to know how much the packaging weighs, that's how much it weighs. So I do have 3 exciting new empties to share with you this month. I'm making great progress. I feel really good that I'm going to be able to hit all of my goals by the end of the project, which this is the second to last update. My next update will be the finale. The first one is probably no surprise. It's the Pure Bronzer. Over this past month, I used up 0.58 grams to finish it. Unfortunately, it did shatter in my last update, and I did show you that I crushed it up into a powder, and so I was using it as a loose powder bronzer, and those, I mean, I think I go through those more quickly than a pressed powder, and I did lose a couple grams of product. So last month it says I used up 4.26 grams, but I doubt I actually used up that much bronzer over the course of a month. I did lose a couple chips, and I think that contributed to the amount that was gone. Even though I did lose a little bit of the product, I did use up the vast majority of it, so I'm counting it as a makeup empty, but just know I don't eat through almost 4.25 grams of bronzer every single month. I use a lot, but I don't use that much. My next empty is a body mist. This is from The Body Shop. It's the Strawberry Body Mist, and I only had a little bit left. I do have my marks here on the side. I had about 1 centimeter or maybe like around 1/2 inch of product left in here, and I was able to use it up. I'm glad to have used it up before the fall months come. This was definitely a more summery scent, and I will be rolling in a more fall appropriate perfume in my Partners in Cream project pan to replace this one. And in order to finish it over the past month, I used up 6.79 grams. My last empty is from Charlotte Tilbury. It is the Airbrush powder in the shade 1 Fair, and this is gone. I only had a little bit around the edges in my last update, and in order to finish it, I did end up just like crushing it and turning it into a loose powder. So over the past month, I used up 1.16 grams, and I had a great run with this. It's a lovely powder for setting your under eyes with. This powder is nice. It's not ideal for my skin type. I feel like there are very specific skin types who love this type of powder, maybe that only this type of powder would work with. But that's not me. I am not that picky with pressed powders. I bought this years ago. It feels really good to have this out of my collection because I have been working on this for a number of years, and I thought it was okay, but definitely not something that I feel like I need to run out and buy again. So this next product, I technically already hit my goal on. I wanted to use up a specific portion of it, and now I'm just using it regularly and checking the weight and showing you my progress. And that is the ABH Brow Pomade. In the previous month, I used up 0.13 grams. This month, it says I only used up 0.08 grams, so a little over half of what I used up last month. I do think I used up more than that, but I added a couple drops of rosehip seed oil just to kind of make the formula creamy again. So I think that added back some of the weight that I used up. I've used it for years now, years and years. I'm kicking myself for not tracking number of uses on this. If I use this every day that I wear makeup and no other brow products, I think I might be able to have it done by the end of the year, but it'll definitely be cutting it close because even though it doesn't look like much, there's still a lot in there. I don't use a lot every day. And my last product is the Mary Lou-Manizer Highlighter. I use this mostly on my cheeks. I sometimes wear it on my collarbones if I have a shirt on that's showing that part of my skin, but because it is getting cooler, I'm wearing more sweaters, more crew neck tops, and so I'm not showing that part as often. So I don't really know if I'll be able to have this done by the end of the year, but I still feel really good about the progress that I'm making. It is very, very thin around the edges now, and so I'm not really sure if I'm going to repress it or if I'm just gonna kind of use my brush to break off a little bit every time I use it. I just don't really feel like repressing powders right now. I'm just trying to get away from doing that. It's useful if you are trying to get more use out of your products. I'm just really lazy. I don't feel like doing it right now. So if I can avoid doing it, I will. Over the past month, I used up 0.45 grams, which is less than last month. Last month, I was able to use 0.75 grams. So like I said, I'm using less because I'm not putting it on my collarbones as often, but I still think it's a beautiful highlighter. I am using other highlighters in my collection every once in a while just to change it up, or if I want something more cool toned or more pinky to go with my look. It's a beautiful product. I'm not in a rush to use it up, and I'm really, really proud of the progress I've been able to make so far. So those are all of the products I have to share with you. I hope you guys enjoyed my update. Stay tuned for my finale. I don't know what exact date I'm going to put it up. Usually I put up these updates around the middle of the month, but if I find that I want to give myself a little bit more time to show more progress on the few products I have left in my finale, then I might do that. But in the meantime, that's everything I have. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!